Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change miles to kilometer on Google Maps. And now let's dive right in. Now to change miles to kilometer on Google Map, first open up your Google Map application. And after opening your Google Maps application, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner and tap on the settings option over here, just below your data in Maps. Tap on settings. And again scroll down to the bottom of the list where you'll be able to find the distance units. Over here you can see just below the chats. Tap on the distance unit and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to change your miles to kilometer on Google Maps, tap on the kilometer section over here, and then the distance unit on your Google Maps will be changed to kilometer instead of miles, and next time you search for a destination it will be on kilometers. And that being said guys, this is how to change miles to kilometer on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.